Hey there! Have you noticed how NotebookLM creates absolutely stunning PowerPoint presentations? There's just one problem. They're completely static PDFs. You can't edit the text, change the colors, or modify anything. But what if I told you there's a way to convert those beautiful PDF slides into fully editable PowerPoint files, where you can change every element, customize the design, and make it truly yours? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform those static PDFs into editable PPT files in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching gurrutechsolutions. First, click the link provided in the description to access the official NotebookLM website. Once you're on the site, sign in with your credentials and you'll see the main interface. Here you can see all the previous notebooks we've created. Now let's begin by creating a new notebook. Click on Create New Notebook to get started. You'll notice various options available here. Let's start by changing the name of our notebook. We'll call it AI Slides. Next, we can input sources from multiple locations, existing files, websites, Google Drive, or even by copying and pasting text directly. For this demonstration, we'll use the web search feature. In the prompt bar, let's enter our research question. I'm going to type, "How does AI help expedite academic research?" Once you've entered your prompt, you can set your preferences. NotebookLM allows you to choose between searching sources from the web or from Google Drive. We'll select Web for this example. You'll also see options for quick research or deep research. Deep research takes more time but provides more comprehensive results. Let's go with deep research for this tutorial. Now, watch as NotebookLM completes the search. You'll be able to see all the sources it has gathered. At this point, you can review and import the sources you want to use. Once imported, you'll see a detailed summary of all the input sources. This comprehensive summary covers our entire area of interest and provides a solid foundation for our presentation. Now, if you want to dig deeper into your topic, you can ask follow-up questions in the chat interface. But for now, let's create our presentation. I'll click on Generate Slide Deck, and NotebookLM will begin the process. We just need to wait a moment while it generates the slides. Once the process is complete, you'll see the finished slides. You can navigate between different slides to review the content and overall structure of the presentation. The presentation looks quite comprehensive, with stunning fonts and relevant images throughout. However, at this point, NotebookLM doesn't allow you to edit any part of the slides directly within the platform. You have several options here. You can share your slides, download them, or present them directly. Let's take a look at presentation mode first. As you can see, this is a professional-looking presentation with well-designed layouts. Now let's download this PowerPoint presentation so we can work with it further. Here's where we encounter a challenge. When you open the downloaded file, you'll notice you cannot select text or make changes. This is because NotebookLM exports presentations as non-editable PDFs. So here's the trick to make this PowerPoint presentation editable. We need to use a specialized tool. Click the link in the description to access PDNob by Tenorshare. This is a PDF editor with OCR, that's optical character recognition features, available for both Windows and Mac systems. I want to be transparent, this is a paid tool and requires a license to use all features. With PDNob by Tenorshare, you can edit PDFs, annotate them, convert them to different formats, and much more. First, let's download the software for our Windows system. Once downloaded and installed, here's the main interface. Using PDNob by Tenorshare, we can perform various activities, but our mission is to make our PowerPoint created by NotebookLM editable. Therefore, we will use the OCR feature. Once you hit the feature, it asks you to select the PDF you want to make editable. Here is the PPT I have created using NotebookLM. Once chosen, you have this interface before you. You can set your preferences as per your need. This allows you to choose between various languages. You can select the entire PDF or even the current page to make it editable. please set your preferences as per your need and click Perform OCR. The software will begin processing and you can see the progress percentage on screen. This may take a minute or two depending on the size of your presentation. Once the process is complete, here's our PowerPoint presentation, now fully editable. I can now select text and make changes as needed. Look at this. I can highlight any text, edit it, or even delete it completely. I can click on any picture to crop, rotate, or resize it. See how easy that is? I can select any title and modify it according to my needs, change the wording, adjust the formatting, whatever works best. We can drag pictures to resize them. Just click and drag to make them larger or smaller. We can change fonts, select from hundreds of different font styles. We can adjust colors, whether it's text color, background color, or even the color scheme of individual elements. We can move elements around the slide, add new text boxes, insert additional images. Essentially, we now have complete control over our presentation. Every single element is now editable and customizable. This is the power of OCR technology, transforming a locked PDF into a fully flexible, editable document that we can modify however we want. Once you've made all your changes, you can save your edited PDF. But if you want to convert it into a native Microsoft PowerPoint file, simply click Convert. You'll see options to convert to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, and more. We'll select PowerPoint. Within a few seconds, your PDF has been converted into an editable Microsoft PowerPoint file. Now you can make any additional changes using PowerPoint's native features, change text, adjust font sizes, modify layouts, add animations, insert transitions, and more. This gives you the ultimate flexibility. You can now work with your presentation just like any other PowerPoint file you've created from scratch. So, in summary, you can create stunning PowerPoint presentations using NotebookLM's AI capabilities, and then make them fully editable using the OCR features of PDNob by Tenorshare. This workflow combines the best of both worlds, AI-powered content generation and complete editing flexibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AI-related content and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.